Today, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rina Aldas, 27 years old, college undergraduate at the University of Iloilo. I have my live-in partner and we have our one son. He is now 7 years old. I have one sister and one brother, and I am the second child in our family.
Okay, so are you the one taking care of your son since birth?
Yes, ma'am.
And who will take care of him if you work abroad?
My sister-in-law.
Okay, so do you have a work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, ma'am, but I have experience here in the Philippines for almost 4 years. They have 4 members of the family, one child, one elderly, and one couple.
Okay, so what is the age of the child?
I started to work from them when the child is 3 years old.
And now he is 7 years old, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
So it means you are the only one domestic helper taking care of the kid and doing all the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
And what are your household chores?
I do cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, and car washing.
Okay, so you're also the one doing the laundry.
Yes, ma'am.
And how would you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am. They are responsibility and loving and caring.
Okay, so and how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am honest, trustworthy, and responsible person, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am, in my left side arms.
Okay, do you have a surgical operation or surgery sickness before?
Yes, ma'am, 7 years ago via CS.
Okay, so you are a cesarean operation 7 years ago, but now can you guarantee to your employer that you can do all the hard works, household
ma'am.
works?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so why do you want to work abroad?
To help my mother and to help my brother for all his expenses in school.
Okay, so what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep when 10 p.m. and I wake up 4:30 a.m.
Okay, so and in Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be understanding to them and be patient.
Okay, so if you're homesick, what would you do?
I will divert myself and keep busy, and if it is my free time, I will tutor and play the children.
Do you have an allergy to a certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you have no do you accept the day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help undo the housework there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids and elders?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will check the diaper. I will call my employer and take him the temperature.
Okay, so you have to take the temperature, the body temperature of the kid. Then you have to call your employer if you or
If he will
if
see.
the baby
Baby
is
is
sick. Okay, so and do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you willing to extend your contract if your employer requested to?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me example.
Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little girl and lives down the lane.
Okay, thank you. Can you please say a short message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I know it is for you to select a new domestic helper. I am here applying and promises that if you will hire me, I will do my very best to be a good domestic helper. Thank you, ma'am. See you soon.
Okay, do you promise to serve the family of your employer with all your best and to consider them as your own family?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
will treat them as my family too.
Okay, so and are you a happy person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.